Making American fried chicken at home, delicious, crispy, and easier than you think. Let's get started. First, we need a big chicken thigh, really big. If you're working in small portions, about 2 to 3 large chicken thighs should be enough to feed 2 people. Cut the drumsticks into serving-sized pieces. Keep the bone for extra flavor. Mix milk and lemon juice. Let it sit for a few minutes. Soak the chicken in buttermilk for at least 2 hours. Combine flour, salt, pepper, paprika, and garlic powder. Press each piece into the flour mix until fully coated. Bring oil to 170 degrees Celsius or 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Don't overheat. Lower the whole chicken slowly into the hot oil. Be careful, it sizzles loud and fast. Remove the chicken and let it drain on a rack. Crunchy outside, juicy inside.